Hi everyone, welcome back to our Hugging Face tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the Hugging Face homepage in detail. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to navigate the website, where to find models, datasets, and spaces, and how to access resources like docs, pricing, and community sections. In Google search panel, simply search Hugging Face and you will get the website from the search result. When you visit huggingface.co, you are greeted with a clean, simple layout. You need to be a sign up to get entry. If you have already signed up, then log in with your credential. After login, in homepage of Hugging Face website, that layout is divided by the following grid, like top bar and homepage area. Top bar is divided into two parts, search bar and navigation menu. Homepage area is divided into three columns. Left sidebar for activity history, middle content, following area, and right sidebar trending area. Now we would like to explore one by one according to the layout. One of the most powerful tools on the homepage is the search bar. This lets you search across all models, datasets, and even spaces. For example, if you are looking for a BART model, just type BART and you will instantly see multiple pre-trained versions shared by the community. This makes Hugging Face a discovery hub for developers and researchers alike. The navigation bar at the top is where you will find quick links to the most important areas: models, datasets, spaces, community, docs, enterprise, pricing, and more related to the website, community and solution. Most right top your account and profile related icon menu. Models link to the Hugging Face Model Hub. Explore, filter, and search among hundreds of thousands of pre-trained models across NLP, computer vision, speech, and multimodal tasks. Datasets takes you to the Datasets Hub. Over 100,000 open datasets available across domains, text, images, audio, and more. Spaces, a showcase for interactive ML apps built by the community. Here you can try models in real time and share your own projects. Community section connects developers, researchers, and enthusiasts through discussions, forums, and collaborations. It's the place to share ideas, ask questions, contribute to projects, and stay updated on events and announcements. Docs is centralized documentation hub for Hugging Face tools, transformers, datasets, tokenizers, diffusers, tutorials, and guides. Enterprise provides information about enterprise offerings, hosting, and large-scale AI solutions. Pricing is the details, the different subscription tiers, free, pro, and enterprise. Others drop down links to additional resources such as website, community, and solutions. Account and profile. You can view your contributions, uploaded models, datasets or spaces, organizations you belong to, settings, account details, API tokens, notifications, billing if on Pro divided by Enterprise plan, and sign out option. The left sidebar on Hugging Face provides quick access to personal settings, organizational tools, and learning resources. It's designed to help users navigate between their profile, collaborations, and platform documentation easily. 1. User section. This is your account. For example, BDStar is my Hugging Face username. Profile takes you to your personal Hugging Face profile page, where your uploaded models, datasets, and contributions are displayed. Inbox a notification center for messages, collaboration invites, or community updates. Settings manage your account details, API tokens, security, and notification preferences. Billing view and manage your subscription plan, invoices, and payment details. Get PRO quick link to upgrade to Hugging Face Pro plan, which offers benefits like private repositories and more storage. This similar menu link you will get from Account and Profile section. 2. Organizations. Gen AI Community. This is an organization workspace that is created by myself. Organizations let multiple members collaborate on shared models, datasets, or spaces under one team account. Create New lets you set up a new organization for team projects, research groups, or company level collaboration. 3. Resources. Getting started beginner friendly guide to set up Hugging Face tools and start using models or datasets. Documentation. Direct link to the official docs including transformers, datasets, tokenizers, and more. Forum. Community driven discussions and Q&A for troubleshooting and sharing ideas. Tasks. Categorized list of machine learning tasks. For example, sentiment analysis, summarization, translation with model recommendations. Learn educational resources, tutorials, and guides to deepen knowledge of Hugging Face tools and ecosystem. This is the quick link that details will get from the main menu items. 4. Theme toggle. At the bottom, you will find a light divided by dark theme switch, allowing you to customize the website's appearance. When you're on the Hugging Face homepage and scroll into the feed area, you will see a navigation menu that helps filter the type of content you want to explore. The drop-down helps you filter your activity feed and focus on different aspects of your Hugging Face interactions. It typically includes 3 options. 1. Following displays updates from all the people, models, datasets, spaces, and organizations you follow. You can follow your favorite AI creators as you want. 2. My Activity. Focused entirely on your own actions within Hugging Face. A great way to review and track your own contributions and engagement history. 3. Gen AI Community. In your case, Gen AI Community is an example of such a group. Work under a shared team identity, for example, research group, company, or project team. Access a collective feed of activity related to that organization. If we select following from the drop-down, the content will be shown according to your follow account. The right sidebar on Hugging Face is mainly focused on trending content. It helps users quickly discover the most popular and active resources in the community. Trending by time, for example, last 7 days. This means the sidebar showcases models, datasets, and spaces that have gained attention recently. Category filters. Directly under trending, you will find filters to customize what you see. All displays everything models, datasets, spaces. Models only trending machine learning models. Datasets only trending datasets. Spaces only trending Hugging Face spaces interactive apps. We are going to look at how to create your own resources on Hugging Face, whether it's a model, a dataset, a space, or even a collection. You can start this process from 2 places. 1. The plus new button in the left sidebar. 2. From the account and profile menu at the top right of the page. First, let's talk about the left sidebar. At the very top, you'll see a button labeled plus new. Clicking on this button opens up a menu with several options. Here's what you can create. Model. This is where you can upload your own machine learning model, version it, and share it with the community. Dataset, perfect for publishing datasets in text, image, audio, or multimodal formats so others can use them. Space. This lets you build and deploy an interactive app using frameworks like Gradio or Streamlit. It's a fantastic way to showcase your models in action. Collection, which allows you to group models, datasets, or spaces under a single theme. On the far right of the page, you'll see your profile picture or initials. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears with links to your profile. Similar items you can access through the Account and Profile menu in the top navigation bar. So, to wrap up, the Hugging Face homepage is designed to give you quick access to everything you need, from trending models and datasets to interactive spaces, community highlights, and documentation. It's your central hub for exploring and navigating the Hugging Face ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of the series.